Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Yvette. In today's menu I will be making some fried rice, and I will be doing this with a twist. I have some bell sweet pepper, okay, this is the small one, carrots, cabbage. I have some celery, onions, scallions, okay. I have salt, I have black pepper, cinnamon powder, sugar, and I have this 5 spice here. I have sesame oil, I have garlic paste, ginger paste, I have the soya sauce, the Chinese sauce, shrimps and sausage, okay, and also some fried rice seasoning. All right, and this is the rice that I already washed. So what I'm going to do is season this rice before fried, okay. So I'm going to start with the salt, and again, salt must be according to your taste. Salt, I'm going to use the cinnamon powder and the black pepper, okay. I have the sesame oil, all right. I have the Chinese sauce, and I'm going to add some of the soya sauce. Remember, you can't put too much of the soya sauce because it already have salt. I'm going to add some half tablespoon of ginger paste and a little bit of the garlic paste. All right, I'm going to add the fried rice seasoning, okay, and I'm going to combine everything together. Mix it all up. Mix it up well using a spoon. All right. Sugar. Everything that I use, it must be according to your taste, okay, and like. Mix it well, and in the meanwhile the oil is be hotting. So now this oil has hot. So now I'm gonna add the rice, okay? And I'm gonna let this rice fry well. And then I'm gonna add some boiling water into this rice, 1 inch above the rice. Cover it down and low fire like this. So now, as you can see, the rice is frying up. I fry it up for a good 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna add some of these the bell pepper. This is optional, okay. The cabbage, we wanted to fry everything up, okay. What I'm gonna do is add fry up the sausage and the shrimp separate. And I must let you guys know that's my take. I cut the shrimps in two. Don't judge me. Alright, you see this? Look at this. So now I'm gonna pour some boiling water 1 inch above the rice, okay, because remember it's already seasoned up. and let it do its thing. Okay, as I said, this is how we want this rice to fry. The remaining balance of the vegetables will add a little later when it's rice completely cooked. Okay, so stay tuned. So I'm going to add the alright, stir this. I'm going to add some more water. This is just demonstration, so make sure so that this rice cover with the water. Alright, and then I'm going to cover this down tight and let it cook. Alright, so now I'm going to cover this down with a piece of file paper and then the cover. Alright, like this. So I have this pan here with some oil and a little sesame oil in it. So I'm going to start frying up the sausage. Okay, I'm going to fry this up and set it aside. And then I'm going to fry the I'm thinking that I put too much in the pan one time. So I'm going to start taking this out, okay? And then I'm going to fry the shrimp. I'm going to fry this up now, then I'm going to take it out and set it aside. So now this is done, okay? I'm going to set this aside and we're going to add this to the fried rice. So now I'm going to add the sausage, okay, and the shrimp, okay, and I'm going to stir this up, and I'm ready to show you guys the rice. See? Okay. So when I finish mixing this in, okay, I'm going to let this simmer for 1 minute. And then I'm going to add some more vegetable in it. So now I just sprinkle some more of the cabbage, bell pepper, sweet pepper, scallion, everything that I mentioned earlier in the video. I'm gonna mix it all in, and this is done. Okay, so this is it when finished, and this is it when I finish plating it off. Okay, so